Throughout history, lime has ranked as the most commonly used desulfurization agent within the iron and steelmaking industry. Almamet recognized early on that lime could be used as a cost-effective alternative to calcium carbide for the desulfurization of hot metal. The company's products are offered in the form of high-quality granules that meet the steel industry's need for cost efficiency, as well as ease and safety of handling. Together with several long-standing customers, Almamet has developed lime processing systems for use in hot metal desulfurization. For example, hot metal desulfurization in Nizhny Tagil, an integrated steel plant of Russia's Evraz Holding, is supplied with co-injection suitable lime-based hot metal desulfurization agents that stem from a lime works in Cushwa. In Caireno, Spain, lime-based hot metal desulfurization agents are manufactured from mono-injection in the Aceralia steel plant of the Mittal Arcelor Group. By optimizing the injection ratio for the ideal proportion of magnesium, the resulting desulfurization quality is identical to that achieved by co-injecting magnesium and calcium carbide, or through the mono-injection of calcium carbide only. Limestone formed approximately 150 million years ago during the Mesozoic period. Crustaceans living at the ocean's surface sank to the bottom upon dying, and their remains formed lime sludge. This sludge reacted with magnesium-containing water and, once the ocean had receded, dried to give us today's limestone. Limestone is extracted using surface mining techniques. Well-placed demolition charges release rock from the mountain. Next, the rock material is delivered to the crusher by excavator. After crushing, conveyor belts transport the particles to the screening plants. Untreated limestone in various shapes and sizes is used in many industrial applications, and as ballast, grit, sand, and powder in construction. For all other applications, limestone must first be converted to calcium oxide, or CaO, using a firing process. Top-loading or rotary kilns are used for firing limestone. Using a top-loading kiln as an example, we will now examine this process more closely. The kiln stands vertically in the shape of a cylinder. The first phase occurs in the kiln's top section and consists of heating the limestone with hot gases from the firing zone to remove moisture. The pieces then slowly slide into the firing zone, where they are heated between 900 and 1200 degrees Celsius. In this fashion, limestone, or CaCO3, is broken down into calcium oxide, CaO, and carbon dioxide, CO2. As the CO2 gas is drawn off, the calcium oxide, also called burnt lime, continues downward and cools. After cooling, the calcium oxide is transported by conveyor belt to impact and hammer mills for further preparation. For hot metal desulfurization applications, the burnt lime is milled into granules having a maximum diameter of 0.09 millimeters. To essentially eliminate adherence, and thus the possibility of clogging the pipes or lance in the steel plant, Almamet applies a fluidization process to all burnt lime products. During fluidization, the granules receive a specially developed silicone coating that results in flow properties similar to liquids. Almamet offers different types of prepared lime products. K100 was developed to support mono-injection processes for hot metal and steel desulfurization, as well as co-injection with magnesium. It has a CaO content of over 96% and a maximum ignition loss of 2%, with a maximum granule diameter of 0.09 millimeters. KM115 was developed for hot metal desulfurization via mono-injection using a mixing ratio of 15% magnesium and 85% reactive soft burnt lime with a very low sulfur content. The product can be adjusted to the specific requirements of the steel plant for optimal efficiency. Almamet lime products can be delivered in silo trucks, railway cars, or transport containers. In principle, the unloading process is the same as for calcium carbide. However, fluidized lime is less problematic to handle than is calcium carbide. To ensure worker protection, the following safety rules apply for the handling of lime. Mandatory helmet wearing. Protective goggles. Avoid contact with water. However, no highly flammable gases are able to form. The use of lime results in significantly more environmentally friendly waste products and slags. They also contain less residual iron and thus reduce iron losses when using approved slag removal techniques. When care is taken to meet the general and technical requirements of the individual steel plant, fluidized lime offers an ideal alternative for hot metal desulfurization. Almamet provides clients with expert consultation to help select the ideal desulfurization agent for individual steel plants, be it calcium carbide, magnesium, lime, or proper combinations thereof. Almamet is a most competent partner to the iron and steel industry when it comes to meeting desulfurization needs and ensuring the most cost-effective end product.